Aspen University, CJ140, Introduction to Criminology. My name's Andre Rosedale, and this is Module 5, discussion question number 1, which reads, discuss the different kinds of murders covered in this module. Even among murder, there is a hierarchy of mens rea, which is the criminal thought behind the crime. Which type or types of murder do you find does the most harm to the character of society? Why? So I'm looking forward to your response, which I'm probably reading now while you're watching this. And it's going to have a good APA reference, even if it's just the textbook. But I would like to discuss, and I would like an answer from you regarding, do you think modern society is kind of diminished what murder really is when you're looking at different things like we've had a lot of mass shootings lately, although a lot needs to be quantified. So we've had several mass shootings lately, and just maybe some of the reactions, like people are like, well, think about the suspect, think about how their life was and what caused them to do it, and that suspects and the suspects' families maybe not taking ownership for it, or society not taking ownership for it, or society even to the point of just kind of passing it over, like it's just another article in the newspaper or on television. Chicago is a very violent city. And a lot of times emergency rooms have to close their doors and not accept any other patients because they have so many gunshot wound victims, or they have so many violent crime victims over a weekend. And a lot of times they are gunshot victims. And how people become upset because they can't get, that they're going to emergency rooms as kind of a primary care type thing, like they need some medication or whatever, and they become upset and they pass over the fact that these emergency rooms are closed, the doors are closed, and the nurses and staff are being overworked because of the violence that they're experiencing in treating these patients. So again, my question to you is, and I look forward to your opinion, is do you think that modern society has diminished what homicide really is, the taking of life, and not all homicide victims are dead. Their families go on financially, emotionally distraught, and there's an emptiness there forever for victims that are left behind from homicide victims. So let me know what you think.